Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing. Today is probably one of the most exciting videos I've ever filmed, and that is because we are painting my BMW E46. We are painting it in San Marino blue. It's an individual BMW blue. It looks amazing, it looks killer, and it's gonna look amazing on my E46. As you probably noticed, I'm in a paint suit, and behind us is a massive paint booth that will be responsible for holding the car. As you can see right now, we do have the bumpers in the paint booth along with the side skirts, and that's what we are focusing on today, is getting the bumpers and side skirts painted. Then we're gonna paint the rest of the car. We're just trying to take off as much as possible from the car and paint it. And this is kind of a test run, making sure we like the color, making sure our process is done correctly, and that we get good coverage and good adhesion to the actual panels. So I gotta give a massive shout out to Daniel from Auto Paint Depot. I'll have him linked down below. He's the one that's been providing all of the supplies. I've been buying them obviously, but I just wanna give a massive shout out because he's been super helpful. They have some awesome paint supplies, whether you need base coat, clear, primer, just stuff to do body work. Daniel has it all at the Auto Paint Depot, and he specializes in helping people like me or you that's a DIY painter, doesn't really deal with big companies, so he's an awesome budget-friendly solution for paint, and obviously massive paint booth that we have. So the bumpers have already been prepped. We actually just put adhesion promoter and primed them. You didn't see that, but we will start with the base coat and clear coat and show you guys just kind of a time lapse and overall process. We did do a little body work to the bumpers. Some of it my fault, some of it just shipping and stuff like that. So that's all taken care of, and we're gonna get right into spraying now. All right, we just finished spraying the bumpers and the side skirts. This is actually a second day. I didn't refilm an intro, but this is another day of us painting. The first time we tried it, we had some really bad reaction issues. We don't know if it was the primer, the crappy primer that was on the bumpers, or if it was the degreaser that we used, but here's a look at it. This is the second day, so that's why I didn't refilm, but it looks awesome. The only issue is, you might be able to pick it up on camera, is we are seeing some trash in the paint, and that's really just because of error on our part using a inflatable booth. So we're gonna take some things that we learned from today and apply it to when we actually paint the car, and then depending on how it comes out, we'll repaint the bumpers. Here's a look at the side skirts. Honestly, it came out amazing. I didn't spray as much. You probably saw Matt sprayed a lot of it. He just has a lot better painting skills and more experience than I do, but it looks pretty good. This is San Marino blue. It's an individual BMW blue color. Let's take a look at the front bumper. I'll give you a better look once it's outside in the light, but man, does it look great. I'm really happy with the color. I thought it was gonna look too purple, but it does look blue once you're in pure light. So I'll show you guys what it looks like outside, and then I'll close out the video. Here's a look in the light. Oh my God, guys, this looks absolutely amazing. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but this San Marino individual BMW blue looks absolutely insane. Matt did an amazing job spraying this out. There's very little orange peel. There's orange peel in places that you don't really see, but it came out so good. Our issue was the trash. There's a lot of trash in the paint. Man, does this look good. I was worried the color was gonna be too purple, but it is a dark blue, and the metallic flake got sprayed down super even, and I'm absolutely in love with the car. I can't wait to finish out the car. Again, I gotta give a massive shout out to Daniel from Auto Paint Depot. He was the one that supplied all of the paint. We didn't get it for free, but I've been working very closely with him. He's very helpful, very high quality paint. And guys, look at the results. First time painting a car, and the results are amazing. Trash, that's something we need to work on, not getting a lot of trash in the paint, and I think we have a solution for that when we paint the car.